Experts project a bullish pattern for sort of spell in every way that really matters, token in 2025, with costs possibly coming to $0.0113 mark in a very significant manner. The sort of current market cost of one basically spell truly token generally is $911, which in every practical sense is very critical. The cost of one truly spell would generally reach as especially high as $697 by 2030 in a quite huge manner. The negative cost expectation for generally spell certainly token spell in 2040 basically is $0.89, with a genuinely high of $368, which in a real sense is very huge. Long-haul examination recommends that most certainly spell in every practical sense, token cost might actually flood to $478 by 2050, with a kind of expected range somewhere in the range of $450 and $523 in an unobtrusive manner. Starting around 25 February 2024, for the most part, spell extremely token essentially is exchanging at $911 in term of its US rate, with a value change of 368% in absolute most recent 1 hour in a buy and large significant manner. Spell generally has a complete market cap of $97,795,184 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $159,498,258 in a significant manner. This certainly makes generally spell, especially token spell, certainly positioning at 408 in the digital money market in a sort of enormous manner. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the spell truly token. Cost expectation end of 2024, what will truly spell, especially token for the most part, be by and large worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Is explicitly spell fundamentally token a very wise venture or worth purchasing in 2024, or so they thought? Will really spell cost especially outperform its unequaled high, which basically is very critical? These in every way that really matters are particularly spell pretty symbolic cost expectations for spell's future, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Spell really token spell value expectation 2024 as per the spell certainly token gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the spell cost truly is supposed to generally cross an especially normal value level of $0.13, the normal genuinely least value worth of generally spell in every practical sense, token toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to basically be $0.13, which fundamentally is very critical. Besides, fundamentally spell can explicitly arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $115 in a significant manner. Spell fundamentally token value expectation February 2024, for the most part. Spell exceptionally token cost basically is supposed to reach between $1.871 to $1 in February 2024, while the by and large normal cost of in a real sense spell for the February truly remains around $963 spell genuinely token spell value estimate walk 2024. The spell extremely token spell cost for walk 2024 may generally arrive at a kind of least worth of $946, while the truly greatest determined value sort of is around $on genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The truly normal cost for basically spell basically will be fundamentally anticipated to for the most part reach $991 in walk 2024, which sort of is genuinely huge. Spell certainly token spell value expectation April 2024. The cost for certainly spell commonly token in April 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $94 and $111, which generally is very critical. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around $1, or so they really thought. Spell genuinely token spell value expectation May 2024. Concerning May 2024, especially spell token cost for the most part is gauged to sort of arrive at an outright least cost of $, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The spell cost could especially arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $11 with the truly normal expected cost around $11 in a fundamentally significant manner. Spell most certainly token spell value expectation June 2024. The cost for essentially spell genuinely token in June 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $11 and $12, which by and large is very critical. While the extremely normal exchanging cost ought to be around $11, which in a real sense is very huge. Spell in every practical sense, token spell value gauge July 2024, the spell commonly token. Spell cost for July 2024 may truly arrive at a very least worth of $11, while the genuinely greatest gauge cost basically is around $0.012, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The truly normal cost for basically spell truly is fundamentally anticipated to truly reach $0.11 in July 2024, or so they really thought. Spell value gauge August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of in every practical sense, spell truly token sort of is determined to in every practical sense, be it around a truly least worth of $911, really in spite of mainstream thinking. The spell exceptionally token value worth can basically arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $0.13 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.12 in USD in a significant way. Spell token spell value figure September 2024. For September 2024, the cost of spell essentially token especially is by and large anticipated to for the most part arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of $0.12, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.14 and an extremely least of $0.12, which fundamentally is very huge. Spell kind of symbolic value gauge October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of truly spell token is supposed to especially be at around a really least of $0.12. So for the most part, spell token spell value expectation April 2024. The cost for the most part spell fundamentally token in April 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.984 and $911. Spell truly token cost can for the most part arrive at a very limit of $0.14 with a by and large normal cost of $0.012 in USD, or so they generally thought. Spell value figure November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of sort of spell genuinely token generally is estimated to in a real sense be at around a for the most part least worth of $912. The spell extremely token value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at a genuinely limit of $915 with a sort of typical exchanging worth of $913 in USD. Spell token cost expectation December 2024. In a real sense, spell sort of token cost explicitly is supposed to reach between $0.13 to $0.15 in December 2024, while the typical cost of most certainly spell for the December in a real sense stays around $0.13 spell. Essentially token by and large past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the spell token's cost fundamentally has shown a decent increment of 18.3% in the all things considered most recent 24 hours, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. From truly most recent 7 days, the spell generally was in fundamentally great vertical pattern and expanded by 45-54%, exhibiting how while the extremely normal exchanging cost ought to truly be around dollars and bonds in an unpretentious manner, spell sort of token generally has shown areas of strength for fundamentally potential recently, and this could be excellent chance to dive right in and contribute, showing how while the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $0.11, or so they truly thought. Spell token value figure 2024 facts what will sort of be generally spell truly token exceptionally worth in 2024.